Hey everybody, welcome to Weekend Warrior Fitness. My name is Robert Coach. Today's going to be exercise of the day. What I have for you is going to be pull-ups. We're going to take you from doing a TRX pull-up to a resistance band assisted pull-up, or excuse me, a resistance band pull-up, also known as a lat pull-down. You find this mostly on cable machines or cable pulling machines. I'm going to show you guys how to do it with just chin-up bar and a resistance band. The next thing I'm going to show you is going to be a TRX pull-up from the floor. That one you'll be able to use your feet to assist you to be able to pull up and get your reps in. And after that, we're going to go from there to a resistance band assisted pull-up and an actual pull-up. And then I'm going to show you guys ways that you can do a weighted pull-up if you don't have a weight vest. Alright? Stay tuned. We're going to do the magic of everything, get everything set up for you, and we'll be ready to go.
Alright guys, if you can see up here, I got my resistance band, or resistance tube going over the chin-up bar. Now, if you don't have a resistance band or a resistance tube and all you have is a band, you can actually take it and tie it off in the center, be able to give yourself a place to do your pull-downs. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how to do it with the band because, or with the tube, with the tube because it's easier and a little less complicated. Alright. Now, if you're short enough, you can grab it right here by the handles. Unfortunately, for the first time ever, I am not short enough. So I'm going to grab it up here. You're going to keep your shoulders pulled back and kind of pulled back and pulled down. And then you're going to come down in a straight line. You want your elbows to meet your ribs. You're not pulling down, you're pulling down from the sides. You're going to really feel the activation in your back and in your lats. Now guys, this is only a 30-pound band and I'm feeling it. Be sure you keep your elbows straight, keep your shoulders straight. And remember, you're not pulling with your biceps, you're pulling with your back. So try to keep your biceps out of it. You can do that by not pulling your arm in. You got to try to leave it kind of out here at the side, and then use your back to drop your elbows down. Alright? The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to go over here and take a look at the TRX pull down. And now the only reason I'm mentioning this one second in our difficulty level is because of the fact that you're putting your weight on your shoulders. Now I know a lot of people, if they have bad shoulders, that won't be able to do this. That's why I went ahead and mentioned the resistance band or resistance tube method first, because it would be a lot easier on your shoulders if you don't have good shoulders. Well, what you're going to do, you're going to lean into it. You don't want your hands going behind your head. You want them kind of out in front of you, but you don't want them so far out in front of you that they're in your field of vision. You want them just out here to the side, just like you would with a normal pull-up. Just like you saw me doing with the bands. And you are going to feel this in your shoulders somewhat, just due to the position that you're in. But all you're going to do is you're going to pull down, keep that back, keep your shoulders back and down. And you're going to pull your elbows into your rib cage. And trust me, you're going to feel it in your back. You're also going to feel it in your shoulders. That's normal. One way that you can kind of keep it from working your shoulders too much is don't pull your hands in like this right here. That's going to work your shoulders. You want to keep your hands out, just imagine that you had a straight bar going through here that you can't bend. Imagine that it's there, then you pull down. Alright. Now going on from there, adjust the height a little bit. Step over here. We can do the same thing. Another way of doing a pull-up from the floor is you're going to kind of plant your feet out in front of you, keep your knees bent, and then this way, when you go to do a pull-up, you can use your feet to kind of assist you and get yourself up there. Again, same rule applies. You don't want to see your hands in your field of vision. You want to keep your shoulders back and down, elbows in a straight line with your shoulders. You're pulling your elbows in to your ribcage. Alright. Now that that's done, we got another thing to do over here at the chin up block. Sorry guys, you can take a resistance band like this one right here, or I would not suggest trying to use this with a tube, simply because it's kind of hard to get that knot in, and you're kind of risking putting stress on the tube and breaking it. So don't use a resistance tube for this exercise. Use a resistance band, one like this one right here, or one of the flat square ones, flat rectangular ones that we have back here. They're easier to tie into a knot, and it doesn't put as much stress on it, and you don't risk breaking it as much. Easiest thing to do though is use a resistance band like this one. So you just take it through, loop it, lock in place. Then what you can do, you can stretch it down. Don't worry about breaking these. They can take a lot of abuse. I mean, me right now, I can take it and sit on the floor with it, and it ain't gonna break. Yeah, you can just use this, and this will take some of the weight off of you for whenever you pull yourself up. Be sure that whenever you're doing actual pull downs, be sure that you go all the way down, that full stretch, because you are using your biceps a little bit. It's just not primarily working. Now, going on from there, of course, the only way you can go, if you're wanting to make it more difficult, is to do an actual pull-up. I should not have done back day yesterday.
Imagine how I feel after doing Pilates and you try to get me to do this stuff.
Alright. But guys, another way that you can make it more difficult, if you choose to, without resorting to doing something like a one-arm pull-up, which I'm not going to attempt to show you because I know I can't do it. You can grab a weight, a little dumbbell right here. You can take it, sit it on a flat surface, get yourself set up to do a pull-up, then grab it with your feet. Put your feet up. You'd be surprised what that 10 pounds can do.
He's also tried to do this with our 3-month-old daughter strapped to his chest.
Yeah, well,
She's about 13 pounds now. He found out real quick he couldn't do it. And yes, we have a little photo bomber.
Yep. This is my stepson, my wife's biological son, Isaiah.
Oh, come on now, buddy. I've seen you carry that thing around the house. Oh, he's wanting to try and do the chin up like you did. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Not right now, buddy.
And just so you know, I know you can see how tall he is. He's actually only 4 years old.
We gotta leave that open.
He's 4. So yeah, we got a little linebacker.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Again, this is Weekend Warrior Fitness. My name is Robert Gunter, and stay tuned tomorrow for more videos. Tomorrow's video is going to be showing you guys how to do a plank and tuck, or a plank and knee tuck.
We just did those in yoga.
On your core. And after that, following day, which is going to be Tuesday, we got workout of the week. So stay tuned. All right, see you later.